PPG's color forecasting is really unique because we bring 30 global color stylists together from 11 countries, and we represent multiple business units with all different types of customer needs.
People crave colors based on what's going on around them and how they want to feel. We ensure that our color selections resonate with our customers and reflect how the world is feeling collectively.
The world has changed so much within the past 2 years. The trends moving forward into 2022 will be dynamically different and something we're all craving.
I think that we've had time to think and refocus our priorities. And so I do think that when we come out of the pandemic, we're going to see people approaching color differently.
It's so very different to previous years because the organisers have had to rethink about how to approach and deliver these forecasting meetings. It's been really successful and quite enlightening and an overall great experience to be involved with.